So I had a chance to do the radical ball testing today, and it was a pretty good day. I tested the Dragon, and I tested the Beyond Ridiculous Pearl, and stacked them up against the Katana Slash, original Katana, and the original Beyond Ridiculous. So a quick update on this no soda May thing. Let me tell you something. I haven't lost hardly any weight. Like I've been doing everything the same. Like I said, what does Kristen ask for? She asked for a DP. I don't know. Should I shake it up? One more week of this no soda thing, and I finally get to crack open one of these babies and get back to life. I miss you. I'm drinking a lot of water. In fact, that's all I'm drinking. I'm just not seeing any results. Obviously, you know, I could cut out some of the junk food I'm eating, but I was eating that before, to be fair. So in the spirit of science, that's what I did.
Are you in there talking to yourself about you getting me a DP because you can't drink them?
Maybe.
I heard you.
Oh. Why were you eavesdropping on me? Why don't you just read your Anna Kendrick book?
Because you're talking louder than most persons should ever talk to themselves
Talking
alone.
to a camera.
Uh-huh.
You don't understand how this works. It's art.
Okay.
It's really art.
Art imitating life.
Whatever. It's way too deep for vlogging. No, I'm just talking about how I have about a week left.
Uh-huh.
And I get to crack open one of those.
Yep. Hopefully there'll be some left by the time you have.
Yeah, you're gonna go to the store.
Nah, you know where the store is.
No, I don't.
Yes,
I've never
you
been there
do.
before. Last time I was there, I bought a Nintendo game system. We turned our $40 trip into a $400 trip.
Yeah. Yes, you did.
How's it taste?
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, whatever. Shut
So
up.
good. Do you want a kiss? Maybe you can taste a
I don't
little
want
bit.
any residual.
You want to stay pure for the next 5 days.
I haven't cheated once.
You have not. I am very proud of you.
Thanks.
I'm very proud of you. I didn't know you could stick to something for so long.
Stuck with you for 5 years.
That's true.
But you're my Dr. Pepper Bay.
Touche. You only love me because I get your ass out of bed in the morning so you're not late for work.
Had a good time filming it. Bowling balls look pretty good. Katanas always look pretty good. And Beyond, it has a certain fit. It's not what you expect. So, you know, it's going to be a very honest review. Now, I have a feeling I will be above 1,000 subscribers before we have to post that video. Because like I said, and I keep saying, I'm not posting any more ball reviews until I get to 1,000. I'm at 740 currently. We're growing fast, we're growing at a great rate, but if we don't get to 1,000 by next week, we will just keep pushing it back. Look for that video sometime next week. Next week? Yeah, next week. It's been a hell of a busy week, and we go pretty hard. We go hard at Brunswick.
Best ball I've thrown this year.
I gotta tell you, those balls looked phenomenal. You're gonna wanna see those. I'm getting eaten alive by some skeeters out here. There's a lot of skeeters out here.